Did you know you can create an HTTP server using one command? Yes, you can. I'm not kidding. It is possible to create an HTTP server on your computer using just one command. You will need to have Node.js installed on your system. To create an HTTP server, you can follow these steps. Create an HTML file and name it index.html. Add some content to the file and save it. This step is optional and you can directly create an HTTP server without creating an HTML file. Next, open your terminal and type the npx serve command. This will create an HTTP server on your computer. By default it will run on port 3000, which you can access by visiting localhost 3000 in your web browser. Congratulations, you have successfully created an HTTP server on your computer. If you want to run the server on a different port, you can use the P flag followed by the port number you want to use. For example, npx serve p5000 will create an HTTP server on port 5000. We are not done yet. There is one more npm package that you can use to create an HTTP server. It is called an HTTP server. It's similar to the npx serve package, but it has a few more features. Let's see some of them in the action. 1. If you want a gzip compression, you can use the G flag. For example, HTTP server G will enable gzip compression. By default, it is disabled. 2. Instead of gzip compression, you can also use Brotli compression. To enable Brotli compression, you can use the B flag. For example, HTTP server B will enable Brotli compression. By default, it is disabled. 3. Enable CORS by using the CORS flag, so that you can access the server from a different domain. There are many more features that you can use with the HTTP server package like caching, logging, proxy, authentication, etc. You can find the complete documentation in the description below. I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. If you did, please consider liking and sharing it with your friends and subscribing to my channel. This will help me create more content like this in the future and allow more people to benefit from it. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Until then, happy coding.